Mona, check out your new van.
I can't. Paul! Ah! I think I'm about to cry.
You make me cry. Come on.
Oh my God, I got the shakes. I'm shaking. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I recently divorced after 32 years. When we decided to go our separate ways, I knew what my plan was. I knew that I was going to be finding a van and traveling everywhere because it's something that I've wanted to do for as long as I can remember. And this is the perfect size, and meeting up with Paul and all of that, it just solidified everything. So very excited, very excited. I don't even. Oh my God. Paul. Oh my God. I can't even talk. Paul. I don't even know.
Oh, I'm so happy.
This couldn't be any more beautiful. It couldn't be any more beautiful. Like, I'm ready. Let's get it on. Let's go. I mean, I don't have to do anything.
This is your house.
Paul,
This is your house.
this is my house. This is mine. This is going to be my life. I knew I made the right decision. I felt it when I spoke to you on the phone. I felt it when I talked to Kim. I felt it. I knew from day one that I made the best decision ever.
This you have a whole journey ahead. This is just the beginning.
I can't. This is Callie. She's my little road warrior. She's been traveling with me since she was 8 weeks old, and she sees me pick my purse up, and it's like, okay, where are we going now?
Mona, your story has really inspired me since the first time we met. You've been through a lot these last couple of years, and just to be a part of your journey, to go live on the road and to build your home for you has been really an honor of mine and the entire team.
I love the van. I couldn't be more happier. They exceeded every expectation that I had, and then some. It's just everything. The craftsmanship. It's just beautiful in there. You know it's beautiful. Just look at it. It's great.